In this video, I will show you how to work the Picot edging technique. This is a decorative edge stitch that can be added to any piece of crochet. This technique is used in our Holly Bandeau pattern. Today I'm using Wool and the Gang's Buddy Hemp yarn in Bordeaux Red and a 5mm crochet hook. Okay, let's get started. First, I'm going to insert my crochet hook through the first stitch on the edge of my piece. Then I'm going to pull the yarn through, make one chain stitch for my turning chain, and then work one stitch in single crochet. Next, I'm going to work 2 chain stitches. Then I'm going to work another single crochet stitch into the next stitch. As you can start to see, the 2 chain stitches are forming a little bump. This is what makes the Picot edge. So I'm going to repeat those 4 stitches again. So that's 1 single crochet stitch, 2 chain stitches, and then another single crochet stitch into the next stitch. So that's a single crochet stitch, 2 chain stitches, and another single crochet stitch. So I'm going to continue repeating these 4 stitches until I reach the end of my first edge. So now that I've reached the corner, I'm going to work my next single crochet stitch into the next stitch, which is the last stitch of my row. Then I'm going to work the 2 chain stitches, and then instead of working my next single crochet stitch into the next stitch, I'm going to work it into the same stitch as my last single crochet stitch. This just helps you to turn the corner. Okay, so now we're going to repeat those 4 stitches again. So that's 1 single crochet stitch, 2 chain stitches, and then another single crochet stitch. So again, I'm going to repeat these 4 stitches until I reach my next corner. So for this corner, I've reached the end with my 4th stitch of the last repeat. So I'm going to start the next repeat by working my first single crochet stitch into that same edge stitch. Then I'm going to chain 2 stitches and work my next single crochet stitch into the next stitch. So this time my corner is between the 2 single crochet stitches and not where the picot is. So again, I'm going to continue repeating these 4 stitches until I've worked all the way around my piece. Once you've gone all the way around the edge of your piece, you can join it with a slip stitch. And then simply cut your yarn and pull the end through to secure the stitch. And there you go, your edging should look something like this. Thanks for watching.